Introducing the Ugot Robotic Kit, a revolutionary modular design that allows you to build and customize your own AI robot. With its intuitive assembly process, you can construct a quadruped robot in just 2 minutes. Simply awaken it with a single click on the app and watch it come to life. The Ugot Robotic Kit features 360-degree far-field audio recognition, allowing it to listen and respond to your commands from any direction. Its modular design enables you to easily transform your robot into different configurations, such as an engineered vehicle, by swapping out a few parts. Engage in playful activities like picking up a bone and playing fetch with your dog, thanks to the robot's versatile wheeled and legged locomotion. With its exceptional balance, it can navigate challenging terrains with ease. Explore the world of AI programming through Python and graphical interfaces suitable for both adults and children, and interact with your robot using natural hand gestures for a more intuitive experience. The Ugot Robotic Kit offers endless possibilities for creative combinations and fun activities. Meet Mesa is more than just a minibar. It's a versatile entertainment hub designed to elevate your lifestyle. With its sleek design and impressive features, Meet Mesa is the perfect addition to any room in your home. The 20-liter capacity fridge in Meet Mesa provides ample space to store your favorite drinks and snacks, while the 4 wireless charging spots keep your devices powered up. With 8 outlets, you can connect and charge all your electronic devices, great, and the customizable RGB lighting creates a personalized atmosphere. The built-in mosquito repellent ensures a bug-free environment, and the 3-speed adjustable fan keeps you cool and comfortable. The ice maker always has ice-cold drinks on hand, and the air conditioner beats the heat for a refreshing summer breeze. Finally, the full-channel speaker turns up the volume and creates a lively atmosphere. Meet Mesa is more than just a functional appliance. It's a social hub. Its combination of features makes it the ideal place to gather with friends and family. Whether you're hosting a party or simply relaxing at home, Meet Mesa will provide the perfect ambiance. Ecoflow Blade is a revolutionary robotic lawnmower that takes the hassle out of lawn care. With its advanced features and intelligent design, Blade offers complete lawn treatment, from simple trimming to comprehensive restyling. The Ecoflow Blade offers a complete lawn care solution. The Lawn Sweeper Kit easily attaches to remove leaves, sticks, and other debris, leaving your lawn pristine. Virtual boundary setting using the Ecoflow app eliminates the need for physical wire barriers and allows for easy adjustments as your yard changes. Blade's X-Vision technology, combining visual sensors and LiDAR, intelligently recognizes and avoids obstacles, ensuring your lawn and belongings stay safe. Real-time kinematic RTK positioning enables Blade to reroute around debris while maintaining precision, ensuring a thorough and efficient cut. With an adjustable cutting height of 0.8 to 3.0 inches, Blade can be customized to meet your lawn's needs. Additionally, Blade is equipped with anti-theft measures and is waterproof, ensuring your investment is protected. Ecoflow Blade is more than just a lawnmower. It's a smart home appliance that simplifies your life. Zihoo Cube Trick X is a revolutionary 3-in-1 charging station that combines style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Inspired by the design of Tesla's Cybertruck, this minimalist charging station is a must-have for tech enthusiasts. The Cube Trick X offers a comprehensive charging solution, allowing you to simultaneously power up your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods with its 15-watt ultra-fast magnetic wireless charging. Equipped with an intelligent wireless fast charging system, the Cube Trick X ensures optimal charging efficiency and safety. Its touch-sensitive design enables effortless rotation of your smartphone for a personalized viewing experience. The Cube Trick X's sleek and futuristic design complements any modern interior, while its multiple charging coils provide seamless and efficient wireless charging. With Key 2 certification, the Cube Trick X is compatible with a wide range of devices, offering a versatile charging solution for your tech needs. It is more than just a charging station. It's a statement piece that elevates your tech setup. With its innovative features and sleek design, the Cube Trick X is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to streamline their charging experience. OBSBOT Tail Air is a revolutionary portable AI camera designed to simplify and enhance your live streaming experience. With its advanced features and intelligent design, Tail Air offers unparalleled versatility and performance. The Tail Air's compact and portable design allows you to place it anywhere you want, capturing every moment in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. The intuitive gesture control activates the AI auto-tracking feature, allowing the camera to seamlessly follow you, your pets, or even objects. The wireless control and monitoring feature enables you to remotely manage and stream your live shows. The AI director grids provide multiple viewing angles, allowing you to select the desired perspective for your audience. The Tail Air's multi-camera setup and NDI connection capabilities offer incredible versatility for long-distance live streaming and real-time video monitoring. The enhanced pixel size and reduced noise ensure crystal-clear images, even in low-light conditions. With its support for various connections, Tail Air seamlessly integrates into your existing live streaming workflow. OBSBOT Tail Air is more than just a camera. It's a powerful tool that empowers creators to produce professional quality live streams. Ecoflow Delta Pro 3 is a revolutionary battery generator that provides reliable and efficient power for your home appliances. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, the Delta Pro 3 is the perfect solution for home emergencies, outdoor adventures, or off-grid living. The Delta Pro 3 delivers a powerful 4,000-watt output, capable of powering most essential home appliances with a single unit. Its plug-and-play design and maintenance-free operation make it incredibly user-friendly. The X-Quiet technology ensures ultra-quiet operation as low as 30 dB, providing a peaceful environment for your home or outdoor activities. The Delta Pro 3 offers a variety of charging options, including 7 unique and 18 combo charging methods, allowing for up to 7,000 watts fast charging. This versatility eliminates the need for fuel and ensures you're always ready to power your appliances. Ecoflow Delta Pro 3 is more than just a portable power station. It's a reliable and versatile energy solution that can provide peace of mind in any situation. With its impressive features and cutting-edge technology, the Delta Pro 3 is the perfect choice for homeowners, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values reliable and efficient power. Sierra Portable Range Hood is a compact and versatile appliance designed to eliminate cooking odors and keep your kitchen or outdoor cooking space clean and fresh. With its innovative features and portable design, the Sierra Portable Range Hood is the ideal solution for anyone who loves to cook but doesn't want to be limited to the kitchen. It is a compact and versatile appliance that is perfect for anyone who loves to cook on the go. Its small, lightweight, and convenient design takes up minimal space and can be used anywhere. The easy touch control panel allows you to adjust the fan speed effortlessly, while the low noise level of 6.5 sones ensures a quiet cooking experience. The strong suction power effectively removes cooking odors and smoke, keeping your space clean and fresh. The triple filter system ensures optimal filtration and easy maintenance, and the magnetic filter holder makes it easy to attach and remove the filters. The large oil collecting cup allows you to easily dispose of collected oil, making cleaning a breeze. And there you have it, 7 amazing gadgets you can buy online right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next tech roundup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.